So many rotations going on recently, but today, especially energy. Talk to us about what you're seeing in options under the surface relative to the energy sector.
Yeah, sure. It's been an insane week of rotations, and it continues today. And yeah, it's a little bit of a chase, right? I mean, this move happened all of a sudden over the weekend and has thrown a lot of people kind of, who are out of position for energy. So we're actually seeing a little bit of calls going up in several of the ETFs, XLE, OIH, all really short-term stuff going out to October 4th, October monthly options. And then we're also seeing single stock flow. So we're seeing names like Halliburton, Apache, so a couple of different single stocks as well. Some of the stuff really levered and maybe a little bit, people thinking a little bit of short covering.
So people want in on energy, at least in the near term. And yes, it's a highly shorted sector. But there are other rotations, and you have brought us a few charts around them. One of them being hardware versus software, the momentum value. Let's take a look at your chart and talk to us about what you're seeing.
Sure. So, I think really what we saw last week, I think a lot of people were talking about out of growth and into value. But if you look under the hood in different sectors, you actually saw a rotation amongst groups. So one area that really got some attention was hardware. So semiconductors, as well as companies even like Apple, that have really kind of been a little bit out of favor. We saw a big rotation into there and out of the really overcrowded software play.
And so you have a trade idea on Taiwan Semiconductor.
Yeah, Taiwan Semiconductor. So a lot of semis have been outperforming, but what's really interesting is Taiwan Semiconductor has been in a base for about a year to 2 years, and it really looks like it's trying to break out here. So a quick trade idea looking for a breakout in Taiwan Semiconductor would be the January 46 calls that you can get into for around $2.